Good morning. I'm about to go into exercise and I wanted to make this quick video to talk about moving big emotions. See, once you start playing with energy, playing with different exercises that help you move energy, then when you have a big emotion, you can take these exercises and really move them out of your body and have your solution be somatic. So even though we're working with the energy body, you can feel the sensations and the benefits in your physical body. So yesterday I found myself irritated. I had an irritating thought, and anytime I was not keeping my mind on a leash, it would go back to this irritating thought. So eventually I just got so tired of the effort of ignoring this thought and refocusing my mind. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna fucking go into it and feel it and move it through my body. So I did some emotional release techniques, and even though we're not going to be going over these specifically at the workshop, I'll tell you what, going through energy sex and learning how to work with energy and move the energy makes these other practices like emotional release much more powerful because I can feel the movement. So I tantrumed for 5 minutes. I shook for 5 minutes to Osho music, and then I laid still for 5 minutes, and let me tell you, I felt so much fucking better, and I didn't have to keep holding that energy to ignore the emotions. I was able to actually feel them and move them out of my body, and then put my focus easily on the stuff that was right in front of me. So there's your 2 minutes. Make it a sexy day.